though jouing are unusual for this period of history.
Hey everyone, hi. Thanks for joining me in my studio. I've been trying to play around with some fabrics, like I'm getting really fabric intense. Almost making it kind of a collage of different fabrics because I've always loved fabrics and I love using them in different ways. So I've got fur and lace, ribbons, buttons. I love graphics. Even the legs I've tried to do with different kinds of fabrics on each end, and then the fur on the other side. The ears, the kind of a similar thing. I'm not quite done yet, but I am working on it. And oh yeah, and I also, in my spare time, I try to work out my arms because I'm kind of a wuss. All right, I hope everyone's having a great week. Take care. All the best. Lots of love.
Please consider supporting our channel by joining us at Patreon.